Hello, I'm Tyler, and this is my digital citizenship lesson review from the Common Sense Education website. Since I want to work with students from between K through 2, I'd say, with a strong focus on literacy, these would be some good lessons from the website to work with students in that age group. So let's look through the slideshow and review it a bit here. So this first one introduces the students to a character named Guts. And as we go through, it's a fun little guy here. First, it poses a question, how do we feel today? Calm, excited, sad, or frustrated? This is a great thing to start instilling in students to be able to check in with themselves and pair that with the use of technology. And it gives them 4 little choices, so easy for kids in that age group to digest. Then, how do we stay safe online? I think that students, kindergarten might be a little young, but certainly they'd be starting to use the internet, and it's good to let them know that there are safe and unsafe ways to use the internet. Then we go into define the internet, which is great to start to think about, a worldwide network that connects people using computers, phones, and other devices. And like I said, there are safe and unsafe ways of using the internet, so we're suggesting to be cautious, be careful. Then it shows this fun little video, and we'll roll a couple of seconds to see how this would look for the students.
On this episode, it's Guts.
Hello, digital citizens. My name is Guts. I'm known for listening to my trusty gut to stay safe, in person and online. Today, I'm at my bus stop waiting to head to school. I got to walk here with my best friend. It's important to be safe when leaving my house, so I always follow these 3 rules. I ask for permission first, I only talk to people I know, and I stick to streets I know. Going on the internet is kind of like going to the bus stop. I still need to be safe, so I ask for permission from my grown-ups, I only talk to people I know, and I stick to websites and apps I know. My parents...
So these are great animated films, and I believe there's 6 characters on the site that they feature that reoccur, and they have some kind of connection with some physical trait with them, like gut, for example, trust their gut online. And it makes this real life example of going to the bus stop and connecting it to using the internet, because they're very similar things. We're traveling through an area online or in person, and they're giving them 3 simple rules that you can review with the class very simply. So how do we stay safe online? So we take that video we looked at, and then we start to apply that into our lesson with the class, and having them maybe repeat back those 3 important things. So now we have pause and think. Color the picture with guts and write ways to keep passwords and information safe with your family. Draw some of your favorite things to do on a device that your grown-up says are safe to do. So it's giving them a tangible exercise. And this is why it's so great for that K through 2, because there's some coloring built in, and then there's also some work to do at home with parents to get them involved. Then there's a bit of a next step call to action. So we met Guts. Who of our 6 characters should we spend time with next? And this is a great launching point, because we're going to do another one with arms. We care about everyone's privacy. So it's having these fun little characters that the class can color and learn from. So these are so fun for this age group. Next, we're going to meet Arms, a fun green-looking character with really long arms. So again, we're checking in with the class. How do we feel today? Do we feel calm, excited, sad, and frustrated? So we're thinking about how we're feeling. And this is great whether you're talking about the internet or not. And calling back to that Guts video, we're taking the real world and applying it to our online world. How do you balance your time with technology? So this is such an important question to pose with kids because they're not really thinking about how much time they're spending on a device. They just want to use the device, like a lot of us. So we can start to work in programs like screen time and start to have them think about how we balance our time with technology. Now, arms is really cool. With these long arms, we think about balancing our arms way out like a plane when something has equal weight or importance. So we're defining the word balance with our class. We're also defining device, an electronic piece of equipment like a phone, tablet, or laptop. Let's watch a little bit of this video to meet arms.
On this episode, it's arms.
Hello, digital citizens. My name is Arms. I'm known for using my long arms to balance the many things I do, kind of like being on a seesaw. Speaking of seesaws, today I'm at the playground waiting for my friends. I love the playground, but I also love playing games on my device. Sometimes I want to watch TV or play online all day, but when I spend too much time on devices, I start to feel out of balance because I miss out on other activities that make me happy.